All right, everybody. Today we're going to take a look at the Propel Tunnel. And as you see, I already took it out of the package because, I'm not one of these green weenies. But I mean, come on, man. I mean, you talk about some over packaging. I mean, absolutely tons of useless plastic in here. And that real hard plastic that you can't ever tear. You have to get like a razor blade or these big scissors and hack it. There was all kinds of this crap in here. Absolutely unnecessary. They're wasting their own money with all that kind of packaging. It's stupid. Anyway, this was the box. So I figured I'd just take it out of the box. I didn't want to try to open this damn box with all this crap in here. There it is right there. There's a picture on the back. And now let me let you know, I already flew it, and it flies absolutely beautifully. I mean, it really is a sweet little quadcopter. Now, I just got back from doing that, so I'm not sure about the flight time, but it seemed around, I was worried about it. It seems around like in the 5-minute mark, the 4-minute, 5-minute maybe. I don't know, pretty close to 5 maybe. But the battery was so small, so I didn't think it was going to get the flight time. It's only a 150, and there it is right there. Very small battery. Here's the prop removal tool and the screwdriver, spare set of props. Here's the transmitter. It's got the trim on there at the bottom, the on and off button, the speed, and the stunts. Flips work really good. They're really tight. Here's the USB charger right here. It comes with it. Here's the quadcopter itself. It's a beauty. Battery goes under there, and there's where the plug is for the battery. So, and the motors are plug in too. So if you ever wanted to replace the motors or whatever, I don't know why you would, but some people get into doing that, and that's on them. So you get into doing that, if that's your thing, that's great. So you can change them real easily if you need to. They pull right out of there. So, and here's the manual, and then they give you this little card in here, the flight club card, that kind of stuff. So, yeah, Propel, they make some pretty decent flyers. I had one, I did one last year, the video did really well, but it flew really good, man. I mean, it was a really good flyer, and this one flew real good too, so we'll see. Oh, did I show you there's two AAA batteries for the transmitter? So I got the flight video coming up, but it flew great, so stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm out here at the pool again with the Propel Tunnel. It's just a little mini, micro, whatever you want to call it. It's got some speed, rates, got some stunts. Let's check the level calibration. There it goes. It's down and to the right. That's how you do it. Then to down and out with the sticks to arm the motors. There you go. Quiet as a mouse. It's got 3 rates. Let's turn them up. Wow, flips are tight. The flips are real tight. Unlike that snap thing. Wow, this thing handles real nice. Wow. Now the battery is only a 150, so who knows how that thing's gonna be. But it flies nice. Oh yeah, it handles really crisp, guys. Really nice. The Propel Tunnel. Like I said, it's only got a 150 in it, so I'm not sure how much battery life we're going to get. I'm kind of say I probably doubt that we're going to get that 5 minutes. I would be surprised if we did. I would be surprised if we got that 5 minutes. Because a 150 is pretty damn small. You know, a 150 is mighty small. Okay. Oh, yeah, it zooms around really good, guys. Really tight. Now, this pool's already been closed for like 2 months. I mean, this is getting to be, come on now. Jeez Louise. Okay, so I'm already surprised at how much battery life it's getting. Uh-oh, I think I see some lights flashing, and I do. Hold on. Okay, there. Like I said, I don't feel like crawling down into the pool to get this crap, okay, so. I'm pretty sure that's the warning. And there it goes. There it is. The Propel Tunnel. Okay, guys, it's a good one. Man, this thing flies like a dream. All right, guys, you have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.